in a matrilineal society, you get all of your resources and your entitlements from the powerful women of your lineage, your mother or your auntie, and men from the mother's lineage. Women certainly have the preemptive power over anything. You know, you could spend your whole life building a canoe and planning a voyage, and if the powerful women of that clan say, nope, that canoe's not going anywhere. Getting a canoe to begin with, or taking it anywhere to begin with, still, you know, and so there's a fluidity, you know, with my tongue in cheek, there's a kind of gender fluidity with canoe traditions that I think should provoke things just as contemporary gender fluidity can do for rigid definition.